guys, my name's Lex. Welcome to my channel. It's yours. I'm gonna wash my hands. In today's video, we are going to be making a cake. If you were wondering why we are making a cake, you have to stay till the end to find out. The cake is going to reveal a surprise. So we're gonna bake the cake. I'll show you guys some of the decorating, and then we'll come back at the end for this reveal of what the cake actually is. So it's super exciting. Please stay till the end if you would like to see this surprise. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and get the ingredients. I have a list here that was supposed to help me remember everything that I needed to do, and it says preheat oven, get ingredients, and make cake. So let's preheat the oven, get the ingredients, and make this cake. This one takes 3 eggs, this one takes 3 eggs, and this one takes 4 egg whites. Okay. I already wiped the cabinet down. So 3 eggs for you. 3 stay. 3 eggs for you, and 3 eggs for you. Yay! Oh no. We're almost out of vegetable oil. This is how much we have left. Rib. Oh yay! I found more. Cool. I'm really excited to see your guys' reaction. Hopefully the cake looks good. So this is also going to be kind of a Q&A. I don't know if I said that already, but I'm not even going to lie. I don't have all the right measuring cups, so we might just eyeball it a little bit. This is going to be a little Frankenstein cake, you might call it. A little smidgen of water, half a cup of vegetable oil. Perfect. This is the perfect measurement for that. This is gonna be so good. And then 3 eggs. That was so close. Okay. Two. 3. I'm gonna go ahead and mix these. I don't know if we're supposed to mix it yet. It looks pretty, actually looks kind of bubbly, but I can not guarantee there's no soap in it. This one is the Betty Crocker Super Moist Cake Mix. This is so random. Okay, so step number 1 was to preheat the oven, and I just realized that we didn't preheat the oven. So all of them have to be baked at 350, so I'm gonna go ahead and preheat the oven. I was gonna put both boxes of cake mix in this bowl, but I think that I'm just gonna wait until we need the second box. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and fill this one. And I'm also going to answer a question, because this is like a Q&A as well, because why not? The first question is, do I like roller coasters? And the answer is yes, I actually love roller coasters. I love the adrenaline rush you get from them. I've written in one of those balls where you get in. I've written on the balls. The balls that you get inside and then it shoots you in the air, the slingshot. And that's actually less scary to me than the roller coasters if you've ever been on one, because the initial takeoff is the worst part, and then after that it's really just you getting a good view of everything around you. So as long as you're not scared of heights, then I actually recommend it. So we're gonna wait until this is ready to go in, but until then, and while that one is waiting for the oven to preheat, we're gonna go ahead and start mixing the confetti mix. Okay, so for this one we need
half a cup of vegetable oil.
This should be interesting. This is kind of disgusting. Okay, so the next question is, have I ever cried during a movie? And the answer is yes. The last movie that I cried during was Maleficent 2, which is not really a sad movie. So I think that I must have just been like really emotional or something. It was because it was like such a happy ending is why I cried. It was definitely happy tears. But that was the last movie that I cried during. It was such a good movie. I recommend it. Okay, while we're stirring, the next question is, if I could live anywhere in the world, where would I live? We'll come back to that one. The next question number I haven't been keeping track is, do I like scary movies? And the answer to that is yes, if I'm with friends. I don't typically like watching scary movies by myself. I mostly like watching them if it's like either with some of my really close girlfriends or with, you don't want to watch a scary movie with like me personally. I wouldn't really want to watch a scary movie with a guy I didn't like or that I wasn't really close friends with. I just realized that I didn't spray those pans. It's recording. You can't, it's not long.
She can delete you.
Okay, so now that I actually greased all the pans and have them all ready, we can go ahead and check the one that's in the oven. Definitely ramen. We have some extra cake mix left, so we're just gonna make a couple cupcakes. Not literally a couple. We're gonna need a few more than this. Okay, so while we're waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and make the icing homemade. We do have fondant, but you have to put a layer of icing around the cake so that the fondant will stick.
Today's episode of Cooking with Lacey.
Probably why.
Just need to know when I can start partying. I will miss you, Lacey. It'll be weird not having you around.
I know you won't have nobody to pick on.
Exactly.
Now, for the moment of truth, to see it first and know if this pan works or not. Oh. Well, definitely. I'm actually really surprised. Let's see if the second one is as easy as the first. Okay. Is this literally a joke? Perfect. So currently the cakes are in the freezer, cooling down because they're easier to ice in after they have cooled. Okay, so it's been a few hours since we last spoke. This cake is has been frozen and I iced it. This is fondant. I'm going to heat up for 10 seconds to soften it.
Fondant.
Yeah, it was this color and I mixed it with this because I'm not going to have enough. This is one.
That's so crazy. I was gonna eat pizza, but then I'm like, gosh, I don't want to eat bad.
If you're hungry, you should eat.
Good night, love you.
Good night. Good night. I guess I love you. I literally thought my seat was right here and I just almost sat on nothing.
That would have sucked.
If I would have just
That would
sat,
have been great for the camera, though.
if I would have just sat into the abyss of nothing,
That would have been great for the video.
which I think confidence helps you. Yeah,
What,
don't.
did you wash your hands?
Yes, of course. No. Okay. Now I'm gonna use this little tool to go around the edges and cut off any excess fondant. Oh.
You said in the pizza.
Wait.
Pitch up to make it balance pushover.
Well, no, it was like
Have you heard my ankle popping?
mine does. Cause like whenever I walk, my ankle pops. You hear it?
Nice.
Is that not weird?
It's weird.
My knees do too. But I have a condition. Is that weird?
Yeah, well, yeah.
No weirder than anything else though.
Definitely not the weirdest thing about
Fine. I'll take it. Surprise! It's a house. This is me posing for a thumbnail, not realizing that I have yet to make an outro for the video. But yeah, I'm moving to Texas. Thank you for watching. Please drop a like or a dislike and comment below to let me know what kind of videos you would like to see in the future. Until next time, see ya!